The US dollar has been flexing its muscles in the first half of the trading week. Market participants are raising expectations that the US Fed will venture into the first rate hike earlier than anticipated. Let's watch our video calendar on InstaForex TV channel to find out what market sentiment will set the tone in the second half of this week. As usual, on Thursdays, traders monitor weekly updates on US unemployment claims to determine trends in the labor market. The number of first-time jobless claims has been printing lows, hit during the COVID crisis. So, this indicator is about to approach pre-crisis levels. The reading is expected to fall again in the week ended November 13. This will certainly encourage investors and provide the Federal Open Market Committee with a fresh evidence of robust hiring. Likewise, analysts project a further downtrend in the number of continuing unemployment claims. If the predictions come true, this will assure traders to increase long positions on the US dollar. On Friday, traders will get to know inflation data from Japan. According to the consensus, consumer inflation is expected to make a downtick in October, albeit it remains in the positive territory. Let me remind you that deflation is a nuisance to Japan's economy, which still cannot be solved. Nevertheless, investors were pleased about the CPI for September that locked a long-awaited annual 0.2% rise. It was the first inflation growth since August 2020. Back then, the Australian yen strengthened in response to the report. Now, the positive sign for Japan's economy will set the stage for growth of the national currency. Importantly, Japan's government is currently taking measures to prop up the domestic economy that are supposed to invigorate consumer activity and inflation. The stimulus program includes financial aid for households with children, tax relief, and a pay raise for the healthcare personnel. In the European session on Friday, the UK statistics authorities will cheer investors up with the fresh data on retail sales for October, though an annual rate looks gloomy. Nevertheless, analysts project retail sales to grow by 0.5% in October month-on-month. It will be the first positive reading following a 5-month contraction. In case the optimistic forecast matches expectations, the Bank of England will have a new argument that the domestic economy is ready for higher interest rates. Therefore, the pound-dollar pair will receive a boost. And we will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.